team was the free driver. That's the reason we went on that show. Rotor is his sponsor. Here we go with heat number 1 after this, I don't think. But we'll see what happens as they come down past corner number 1 and into 2. Rick McCrory has got the lead, and he's got a 5-second penalty he's got to overcome. And Dean Reagan from Ruskin Construction is having a great time out there as he is sitting second. Well, we're going to see if Sean DeBolt from Vertex he's got the hole, he's going to go for it. And he's running side by side, just a little bit behind Double D, Dean Rager. 4th spot is Eric Reaver, as Rick McCrory and his Pro Torque is still sitting at number 1. But he looks to his right, and he'll see the lead team of Vertex and Sean DeBolt. And now we've got movement by Eric Reaver. He is on the attack as he comes into the inside. Well, they are grouping together. This could be anybody's race yet. Help them out on the way home. We have got a nice run out there by Rick McCrory. As he comes down, he's going to